And we're next going to consider a function that represents a practical situation that we may encounter. And we're going to be asked to determine the domain and the range for this function. And the situation is this. We're told that a man earns $10 per hour and his employer doesn't allow him to work more than 35 hours per week. Now, if we let X represent the number of hours worked by this man in a given week, and Y represents the amount of money in dollars that he earns in the week, and if X and Y are related by the equation that you can see is stated here in blue, Y is being equal to 10X. Now, given the restrictions that were stated in the problem, what would be then the domain and range for this particular function? Now, I think you would agree that it's possible for the man not to work at all in a given week, but he could also work up to 35 hours per week. So that would tell us then the domain in interval notation would be then from 0 to 35, including both the 0 and the 35. Now, the range of the function represents the amount of money that the man can earn in a given week. Well, clearly, if he doesn't work at all, he's going to earn $0. And if he were to work the maximum of 35 hours per week, then the amount of money he would earn would be 10 times 35, or 350. So I think you'll agree with me then that the range for this function, which represents the amount of money he could possibly earn in a given week, would be from 0 to 350, including both the 0 and the 350.